Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol JCP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice move. I mean, when you consider where the price was going into the day, and then you look at where the price closed right there, any rational person is going to say, yeah, the bulls definitely made a very nice move on the day. However, that does lead into the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And to better kind of illustrate this, I'm going to scrunch up the chart here a little bit. And that level is down here at, I actually don't know what the level is. Let's see, what is that? $2, we'll give a little bit more wiggle room and call it $2.45. Why is $2.45 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about $2.45. Any sort of closes below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price at that point in time? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that big old range that the price just broke out of today. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, not saying it will, but it actually goes on a pretty deep pullback, comes all the way down here. However, in this case, behaves like that and starts to work its way upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have these lows down here. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm defining and quantifying the phrase make progress as $2.45. As far as levels of resistance, I'm not even going to touch on those because, in my opinion, top priority by far right now is all about building higher bases and going through healthy consolidations, because with enough healthy consolidations over time, aka higher lows, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So we'll see what happens with it, but no doubt about it, powerful move today. Let's see if the bulls can build on this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.